All right, we're at about 4.8 miles. We actually missed the turn for Quail Mountain. Now we were able to double back, and here we are in this wide trail. It's pretty sandy. It's loose sand, so it's a little hard to walk. But we're on the right track. We have already gained about 600 feet, and we've been on the trail for about a little over 2 hours, about 2 hours and 8 minutes. Doing good so far. Time is about 10:43, and we're going at about 3 to 3.5 miles an hour. Not bad. We're probably gonna have lunch at the summit when we get there before we head back down. Anything else? Well, a good thing that All Trails has a reminder or notification that we went off trail, and just for a few hundred feet. All right, I'll see you later. 62%.